Hello, plant enthusiasts. Welcome to the second part of our video series, 40 Best Indoor Plants for Your New Home. Let's dive in. Monstera adansonii, a luxurious addition to your home, captivates with its unique appearance. While rare and sought after, it infuses elegance into your powder room, making it an exquisite indoor plant choice. The philodendron, a versatile indoor plant, thrives in diverse environments. Its lush green foliage and air-purifying qualities make it a top choice for enhancing your new home's beauty and air quality. The bird of paradise, known for its striking banana-like leaves, adds a tropical flair to your home. Its robust presence and air-purifying abilities make it a standout choice for enhancing your new home's aesthetics and indoor air quality. Dracaena, with its striking tall stalks and vibrant green foliage, brings a touch of elegance to your new home. These low-maintenance plants thrive indoors and help purify the air, making them a beautiful and practical addition to your space. Croton, known for its colorful and variegated leaves, adds a vibrant and tropical touch to your indoor space. Its unique foliage and low maintenance make it a standout choice among indoor plants for your new home. Bamboo palm, with its feathery fronds and air-purifying abilities, brings a touch of the tropics to your home. Its graceful appearance and resilience make it a top choice among indoor plants for enhancing both beauty and air quality. African violets are charming and colorful additions to your indoor garden. These petite plants boast vibrant blooms and fuzzy leaves. Their compact size and easy care make them perfect for brightening up your home with a pop of color. Calathea, a genus of stunning tropical plants, is prized for its striking foliage. With intricate patterns and vibrant colors, these plants add a touch of exotic beauty to your indoor spaces, making them an ideal choice for enhancing your new home's decor. The fiddle leaf fig, with its broad, violin-shaped leaves, is a favorite among indoor plant enthusiasts. Its lush green foliage adds a touch of elegance to any home, making it a top choice for enhancing the beauty of your new living space. The Boston fern, known for its delicate, feathery fronds, is a classic choice for indoor greenery. Its vibrant greenery brings a refreshing natural charm to your new home, making it an excellent addition to your indoor plant collection. Monstera, with its iconic split leaves, adds an exotic touch to your indoor oasis. Its unique beauty and air-purifying qualities make it a top choice for new homes, infusing tropical elegance into your living space. Golden pothos, also known as devil's ivy, thrives in low-light conditions and purifies the air. Its vibrant, cascading vines make it a stunning addition to any new home, bringing a touch of green elegance. The peace lily is a symbol of serenity and purification. With its lush, glossy leaves and elegant white blooms, it adds a calming and aesthetic touch to your new home while removing toxins from the air. The rubber plant, known for its bold, dark green leaves, is a hardy and stylish addition to your home. Its striking appearance and air-purifying qualities make it an ideal choice for enhancing both beauty and air quality in your new space. Gerbera daisies, with their vibrant hues and cheerful appearance, bring a burst of color and positivity to your indoor space. Their beauty and ability to purify the air make them a delightful choice for your new home. Spider plants, known for their air-purifying qualities, are resilient and visually appealing. Their arching green and white striped leaves add a touch of elegance to your home, making them a perfect choice for both beauty and health. The Persian shield is a stunning indoor plant known for its vibrant purple leaves, adding a pop of color to your home. It thrives in bright, indirect light and can be a captivating addition to any room. The frizzle sizzle plant, scientifically known as Albica spiralis, is a unique and quirky addition to your indoor garden. Its spiral-like leaves add intrigue, and when it blooms, it emits a delightful vanilla scent and a captivating beauty for your home. Spanish lavender, with its colorful and sweet-scented blooms, enhances any room. Its aromatic essential oils create a calming atmosphere, perfect for bedrooms. Easy care with bright, direct light needs, it's a delightful addition to your indoor oasis. Salad Burnet, with its crisp cucumber flavor, thrives in tight spaces. Ideal for small kitchens, it never grows too large, making it perfect for cramped areas. It's a delightful and practical choice for indoor gardening, and there you have it, folks. The second part of our exploration into the 40 best indoor plants for your new home. If you found these indoor plant recommendations and care tips helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more green inspiration. Happy planting!